Hello everyone, in today's video I will explain my process through making a custom logo for Zerkaa's clothing brand. This is not an official logo and Zerkaa didn't ask me to do this or anything, I just made it for fun. So the brand that Zerkaa has is Zerkaa.London, and basically the current designs look like this, and I got inspired from this type font that they have, but I thought that they would give it a more futuristic wavy style because I like the style, I like geometry and stuff like that. So in my mind I started with the letter Z, and this was my idea. Originally the Z it looks like this, but I thought that the middle line, if it was a wave, it would be more futuristic or smooth or something like that. And to achieve this shape, basically I would cut a circle in half and then flip it, and this is the shape that I got with. Now this will be used to make the R as well, and basically all I did to do this is cut this into quarters, and basically I kept the quarter as the main feature of the whole icon. And basically I cut a quarter here, and this is a quarter here, and the bottom shape is a quarter as well. Then I added a line, and that's how you get the Z. Now the R, if you see it, if you flip the Z, it's basically the R with an extra line, so I removed the line. So I had to get the quarters and basically stack them. And this is the style that basically the font that I liked and how it ended up. But because I used quarters and an hourglass to make the whole thing, I thought let's add an icon. And basically I started with this shape, which is a squeezed circle and a triangle. Then I flipped it and put it on the bottom. Now we have an hourglass. After that I just merged all the shapes, then I duplicated this layer, made the top and the bottom heavier looking, because I felt like if it's the bottom then it should have more glass for some reason. I don't know if that's how it works, but in my mind I thought that would look better. So I basically filled the empty space and I added some basically highlights because I felt that that would give it a more realistic look. It's always good to add some highlights, but I didn't want to go too realistic because this is for a t-shirt, and I thought that it would be nice if it kept it pretty clean. And basically my whole idea was a broken hourglass. So now we have the basic shape of the hourglass, and I tilted the hourglass, but not completely because it just felt like the infinity logo, so I just gave it an angle. And I just cut a piece from the hourglass and I add some sound. Then I added some broken pieces because if you have something broken, it's gonna have pieces. And this was the basically icon. Then I had the Zerkaa, I had the icon, but something was missing in my mind. And this is when I realized that I need to add the catchphrase because I forgot to. And I picked this font, Hello Solid Italic, and basically I tilted it and I managed to fit the app inside the hourglass, the triangle that it does, which makes it feel part of the icon and not just some text above it. And these are the places that you can fit both the icon and the design by themselves or together, and I feel like I did a good job. Now it's not the greatest and it doesn't have the super realistic vibe, but this is what I feel like would be something that most people would wear. Like, you have seen the graphic tees and everything like that, so I thought that I would do a style of that. And I tried to be on brand with the Zerkaa, but also add this new element, because if you add new elements then you can expand your product line. Yeah, this is my icon. Tell me down in the comments if you like it. See you in the next video. Goodbye fellow entities.